The holiday season is one of the most exciting times of the year. It's full of celebrations, special traditions, family gatherings, and lots of delicious food. But with all the fun and festivities, it can also be a time when we feel stressed, overindulge in treats, and neglect our health. The good news is that you can enjoy everything the holidays offer while still taking care of your body and mind. Let's explore some easy and fun ways to stay healthy during the holiday season. The holidays are packed with activities, from decorating the house to attending parties and shopping for presents. All this busyness can be fun, but it can also leave us feeling tired, stressed, and sometimes sick. To keep feeling great, it's important to focus on your health during the holidays for a few reasons. Cold and flu season peaks around the holidays. By keeping your immune system strong, you're better prepared to fight off germs and stay healthy. Between all the shopping, visiting family, and holiday events, you need plenty of energy to enjoy everything to the fullest. A balanced diet, exercise, and rest can help you keep your energy up. The holiday season can be stressful. It's easy to feel overwhelmed with so many things to do. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as caring for your body. Now, let's dive into some strategies for staying healthy while having fun this holiday season. Let's face it, the holidays wouldn't be the same without all those amazing cookies, pies, and other sweet treats. But how can we enjoy these festive foods without overdoing it? It's okay to indulge in your favorite treats, but try to keep your portions small. Instead of having a huge plate of cookies, take one or two and really savor each bite. This will help you feel satisfied without eating too much sugar. Before diving into the sweets, make sure your plate is full of healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods are packed with vitamins and fiber that help your body stay strong and energized. Plus, they taste great. Sometimes, we mistake thirst for hunger. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day, especially with all the busy holiday activities. Aim for 64 ounces of water a day, about 8 glasses. You can also eat fruits and veggies with high water content like cucumbers, oranges, and watermelon to help stay hydrated. When you sit down to eat, try to be present in the moment. Pay attention to how the food tastes and how much you're eating. It's easy to eat mindlessly when we're distracted, but taking the time to enjoy your food will help prevent overeating. Exercise might not be the first thing on your mind when you're caught up in holiday activities, but staying active is one of the best ways to maintain your health and energy. Plus, it's a great way to relieve stress and feel good. The holiday season is busy, so you don't need to spend an hour at the gym. Break up physical activity into short 10-minute sessions throughout the day. Try taking a walk after lunch, dancing to your favorite holiday music, or doing jumping jacks during TV commercials. Winter can be a great time to try new outdoor activities. Whether it's ice skating, skiing, or sledding, these activities are not only fun, but also keep you moving. You'll be having so much fun that you won't even realize you're exercising. When you're at the mall or visiting relatives, skip the elevator and take the stairs instead. Climbing stairs is a great way to get your heart pumping and build strength. After a big holiday meal, try going for a short walk with your family. It helps with digestion and gives you a chance to enjoy some fresh air. Plus, you can chat and enjoy each other's company as you walk. With all the excitement and activities during the holidays, it can be easy to stay up late and lose out on sleep. But getting enough sleep is so important to stay healthy, especially when the stress of the season might leave you feeling tired. This might sound like a lot, but it's just the right amount of rest to keep your body and mind healthy. Sleep helps your immune system work better, reduces stress, and makes you feel ready to take on the day. If you're feeling stressed about all the things you need to do, try winding down with a calming activity before bed, like reading a book or listening to some soft music. This can help you relax and get to sleep faster. If you're feeling really tired, it's okay to take a short nap. Just be sure it's not too late in the day, or it might make it harder to sleep at night. Between shopping, school, and family commitments, the holidays can be overwhelming. But don't worry, there are simple ways to manage your stress and keep your mental health in check. When you're busy, make sure to take short breaks throughout the day to relax and recharge. Step outside for a few minutes, stretch, or practice deep breathing. These little moments of calm can help lower stress and boost your mood. You don't have to do everything. Pick out the activities that matter most to you, like spending time with family, decorating the tree, or baking cookies. If something feels like too much, it's okay to skip it and focus on the things you enjoy. If you're feeling stressed, don't keep it inside. Talk to a family member or friend. Sharing how you feel can make things feel less overwhelming and help you feel supported. The holidays are about enjoying the company of others and making lasting memories. To get the most out of this time, try to shift your focus from just the food and gifts to the fun moments you're sharing with loved ones. Instead of stressing about the perfect holiday meal or gift, focus on spending time with your friends and family. Play games, sing songs, or tell stories. These moments of connection are what make the holidays special. You don't have to eat everything at every party. Pick your favorite treats and really enjoy them. It's about the experience, not about eating as much as possible. As the holidays come to a close and a new year begins, it's a perfect time to think about your health and well-being for the future. Small changes in your daily routine can have a big impact on your physical and mental health. Make physical activity part of your daily routine. Whether it's taking a walk every morning or joining a sports team, staying active helps you feel good year-round. A balanced diet with lots of fruits, veggies, and whole grains gives you the energy you need to tackle anything that comes your way. Meditation, deep breathing, or just taking a few minutes to be still can help you stay calm and happy throughout the year. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come. This holiday season, give yourself the gift of health. By eating mindfully, staying active, getting enough sleep, and managing stress, you'll be able to enjoy all the fun and festivities without compromising your well-being. And remember, every little effort counts, whether you're taking a quick walk, choosing a healthy snack, or practicing deep breathing. These simple actions will help you feel strong, happy, and ready to tackle whatever the holiday season brings your way. Wishing you a healthy, joyful, and memorable holiday season.